What's up guys? In today's video, I will show you how to fix the unable to open link issue in Google. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then check if the link opens. Next, open the Google Play Store and update both Google App and Google Chrome if updates are available. If the issue continues, go to Settings, Apps, Chrome, and Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Do the same for the Google app. After that, open Google Chrome, tap the three-dot menu, choose New Incognito tab, and try opening the link there. If it's still not working, restart your phone and check for any available system updates in your device settings. And that's it. Those are the easiest ways to fix the unable to open link issue in Google. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.